Today's lesson is about hypothesis test for the linear correlation coefficient rho. The correlation coefficient R shows the linear relationship between two variables in a sample. Today, we will test if there is a linear correlation between two variables in the whole population. The correlation coefficient rho, just like its sample version R, measures only the stress and directions of a linear relationship between two quantitative variables. A hypothesis test for rho, like HO, rho equals 0, is only a test for linear association, not for any other kind of relationship in general. Claim for the linear correlation coefficient rho, HO, is always rho equals 0. We have three different forms for H1. Rho greater than 0, rho less than 0, rho is not equal to 0. When you use calculator, we got to use linear regression t-test to find this p-value. Conclusion: you just need to remember, please reject HO. P stands for p-value. L less than significance level alpha. Reject HO. Interpret the result. Rho equals 0. There is no linear correlation. Rho greater than 0. There is a positive linear correlation between two variables. Rho less than 0. There is a negative linear correlation. Rho is not equal to 0. There is a linear correlation. If we are in favor of the claim, we will use the sentence, enough evidence to suggest that. If we are not in favor of the claim, we will use not enough evidence to suggest that. Let's go to guided practice 1. The random variables x, y follows a bivariate normal distribution with product moment correlation coefficient rho. The values of 6 random observations of x, y are shown in the table. Find the equation of a linear regression line of y on x. Click on 1. No. Enter. Go to 4. Let's put A and B instead of x and y. Type in the value. Click menu 4. Statistics. Go to 1. Stat calculation. Let's go to 3. Linear regression line. X list is A. Y list is B. Then enter. We got y equals 0.869x plus 2.70. R equals 0.849. B, find the coefficient R of the sample. R equals 0.849. John carried out a suitable test at a 5% significance level. Test the claim that X and Y are not linear correlated. HO, rho equals 0. H1, rho is not equal to 0. Second step, let's go back to calculator to figure out p-value. Go to menu, go to 4, stat tests. Go to A, linear regression t-test. X list is A. Y list is B. Then for H1, its rho is not equal to 0. Then, OK, got p-value 0.0325. Then we can draw the conclusion. Since 0.0325 less than 0.05, reject HO. We know our claim is H1. Let's check the claim. Claim is X and Y are not linear correlated, which is this HO is the claim. Reject HO. Claim with this cross means not enough evidence to suggest that X and Y are not linear correlated. John carried out another suitable test at the 5% significance level. Test the claim that X and Y are positively correlated. HO, rho equals 0. H1, rho greater than 0. Go to calculator to get p-value. H1, we need to choose rho greater than 0. Okay, this is a rho greater than 0. We got the p-value 0.0163. Then we can draw the conclusion. Since p-value 0.0163 less than 0.05, reject HO. Let's check the claim. X and Y are positively correlated, so this is our claim. Reject HO means we are in favor of H1. Claim with this check means enough evidence to suggest that X and Y are positively correlated.